Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will dive into the world of architectural design with Autodesk Revit. I will walk you through the steps of opening a new project. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Revit software. You will either find a shortcut in the desktop or you will find it in the list of installed applications. Once Revit is up and running, you will see two categories on the start page of the Revit: Project and Families. Project is the place where you create your model, and families are nothing but the individual components that we place within the project, such as doors, windows, furnitures, etc. For now, we will start with the project. Revit will prompt you to choose a template. Why do we need a template? Templates are super helpful because they provide predefined settings, views, etc. To choose a template for the very first time, click on New under the Project option. In the New dialog box, click on Browse. Follow the path to select the template. Go to this PC or My Computer, Local Disk C, Program Data, Autodesk, Revit 2019 or any version you have downloaded. Templates, US Metric or US Imperial, depending on the units you want to set as default. Default metric is used for to be the default unit, and default.rte, which is under the Imperial folder, will be used if you want feet inches as the default unit. Click on Open. Check Project option. Click on Open. This will now open up the graphical user interface of Revit. To set a shortcut of this template, on the Start page of Revit, go to File menu, Options, File Locations, click on the plus mark, go to the same path, select the template. Click OK. The template will now be seen under the Project category on the Start page. A single click on it will help you open the project. Remember to save your progress regularly. Click on Save As, Project, Options, enter maximum backup as 1 or 2, just to be on the safer side. 20 is too much of a backup. Click OK. Give a very meaningful name for your project. Choose location or folder. Click Save. Create a dedicated folder to keep your project files organized. And there you have it. You successfully opened a new project in Revit. Thanks for tuning in to CADcraft Academy. We'll catch you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep smiling, keep designing,